This is Yogeshkumar. I welcome you all to my lecture on information technology, domain name system. www.google.com is the domain name system. Domain name systems are basically of three types. First one is generic domain, that is .com or .commercial, .org, .organizational, etc. Second type is country domain, that is .in or .india, .us or .united states, .uk, that is for United Kingdom, etc. Third word is reverse domain, that is name to IP. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.